For those who are doing their like Bible read throughs, um, Leviticus is like famously the like most difficult or one of the most difficult books to work through because it ends up feeling like a slog at points. There's even a meme of the Princess Bride, if you're familiar, and like Leviticus is labeled like the cliffs of insanity are like labeled as Leviticus. Um, how would you recommend someone that is going to read through Leviticus? How would you recommend breaking that down to make it easier?
I would honestly just recommend looking up the Naked Bible podcast and
Mm-hmm.
then listening to each chapter of that like each podcast episode on the chapters that they talk about Leviticus and then reading the book along with them.
Mm-hmm.
I would say that is the best resource. That's kind of what got me more interested in super interested in Leviticus.
Mm-hmm.
I was interested in it when we read it in the Torah honors program, and we had a session on Leviticus, and I came away from it just like thinking that I feel like we didn't answer the question at all, and I had more questions than answers when we left, and
Mm-hmm.
I just thought something wasn't right, and that kind of stuck with me for a long time. And then I found the Naked Bible podcast, and that really helped me kind of frame Leviticus in a new way through the categories of life and death, and in decontaminating um, that death force, and then coming into sacred space to dwell with Yahweh, which is what the book's about. I think that the Naked Bible podcast is the best resource for that. So I would look that up.